Joke lang. Joke lang, may idol. Joke lang, may idol.
Ingat naman nakahiya.
Joke lang, may idol. Joke lang, may idol. Joke lang, may idol. Nabol ako ng Kaiser. Wala ko nang nagawa. Mali ko yun, mali ko yun. MB. Hi, Niel! What's up? Hindi pa naman talo! Basher mo! Basher.
True basher.
Basher.
Napatay ka na.
Oh, kaya niya yan guys. Huwag tayo magpatalo. Inaaway ako eh.
Hindi lang.
Sana yung ano. Hindi yan. Daming defense. Papatay ko ng Zed.
Our high ground tower is under attack. Born in May, born may you.
For my game.
Our high ground tower is under attack.
Sinta pa.
Enemy has been
Tiga ka na mag-hit na.
Tarap. Tara nga, bati natin to top. Sayang eh.
Kakalit. Hi, ganda! Hi, Nel. What's up? Ano rank mo
The
na?
academy is home, and people always go home.
Abot lang pala. Pautik ng ipis to.
Okay, walang tao doon. Oh,
Uy,
nandun sila.
dami,
Tara,
boss.
Kaiser.
Kaiser Jinyo.
Hinabol oh.
Kagalit si Agodo. Long ah.
Agodo, ginalit ang Kaiser. Ayun.
Oh, yun long.
I has been slain.
Ang bagal yun.
For so many.
Ay, ka pa na Agudo.
Oo nga.
Napansin. Ay, gagi dito tumama ang skill ko.
Rico, gago.
Gagi. Guys, yung base natin ah. Tara.
Oh, so what? Kaya mo yata? Ano, hoy? Yun lang.
Puro
Ikaw na
tulak,
lang.
hindi kaya.
Ikaw na lang natira.
Bye-bye. Forever young. I wanna be
Forever young.
Oh.
Pushable ba?
Oo.
Pushable.
Tapos na yan.
Hindi, mabubuhay si Agodo. Boss. Meron yung mga
Walang
alipin.
magagawa Agudo dyan. Anong gagawin ng Agudo dyan? Babato niya yung panda niya.
Trial hero ka eh.
High ground tower. High ground tower.
Grabe, galit sa trial hero. Grabe na siya.
Grabe ka.
Crystal is under attack.
Kaya mo yan.
Boost
5
naman
seconds,
agad.
boost. 5
Hindi,
seconds.
ito kaya to na main. Kaya naman yun yan. Main yan.
Ano, di na ako. Ay, lagat salamat sa padumay. Ano guys? Sorry.
Kaya may representative. Representative.
Uy, ano
ulit
pala
kami.
yun? Match up? Ay, ano yung tear up match pala yun?
Hindi, yun may kahit ilang basta manalo. Pag nanalo.
Ah, okay.
These are mine.
Oh,
Forever young.
challenge
I
again.
wanna
Challenge
be
yun ng challenge.
Forever young.
Challenge yun.
Ooh.
GGWP.
GG. WP.
GGWP.
Ay, umalis.
Oo, ano na siya, walk the dog.
Forever young.
Okay lang kami isa.
Dapat yung stream cell din na avatar ah.
Dapat yung ano din, mukhang ano, supot ng
Sperm.
yelo. Hoy! Abot hanggang Diamond 1!
Abot hanggang dulo. Kahit di kayo umabot sa dulo. Ay.
Gagi, 11 na pala. Mag-i-smurf ako. Tara.
Kaya pala, mali pala emblem ko. Hinayupak ka. Hindi tama.
Ako nga
Lahat
yung
naman
emblem
sa
ko,
emblem eh.
ano lang eh.
Tama naman.
GGWP.
GG. WP.
Hindi ko kukunin yung luban na yan kasi meron ako niya sa tunay kong account. Tigilan mo ko, huwag mo ko BBI.
Baby, I'm your biggest fan. I wanna be you love me. After I take fall. I gotta go up and nobody knows. Oh yeah, this is the night with every demons and everybody the moon. Nobody got you the way I do. With every demons are fighting through.
Pantayin na copyright, Kasalanan mo yan.
Bakit?
The way I do.
Si ano, si
Nobody,
Nika kumakanta kasi.
nobody, nobody got you the way I do. Nobody, 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 nobody get you the way I do. The way I do. When you darken away, I'm so fun. I'll be on my way. You never feel you gotta lose you now. I'm never down in the mood. You ain't know. You gotta lie.
Don't you know?
Don't you know?
Ay, mohe ka sana.
I get quiet when there's no
Medyo okay ka?
else around. Me and you in awkward silence.
Wow, alam na alam yung ano.
Look at me that way.
Ten, 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 ten.
But when I thought
Di pa rin kiniklik ni Raver, oh.
I love you from the start.
And I sound like
Want you to feel it, to confess I love you from the start. Hey, kabisado.
I'm on the top of
I'm on the
top of the world, looking
world.
down on creation and Lechon kayo dyan. Tinan niyo si Coco. Lechon.
Lechon tapos si Coco, ha?
Mountain, ang sarap kasi ng higa niya yun.
Ah.
Parang lechon.
What's
me,
the
Mario.
world to do? Lying on my bed just there. Unrequited, terrified. Love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get this off my chest. I'm telling you today that when I talk to you,
Baka parang magkaiba kayo ng kanta, yung totoo. Ha?
I wrote through my
From
heart.
the start.
Di, ano kasi yun, second chorus. And I said,
Ay, yung K-Shark, first pa lang.
Ano yun?
Just
Without
in case.
confess I love you from the start.
Oy, mayin pa rin ako, ah.
Yung nga, ako naman magsusupport, nagsasawa na to eh. Bawa naman.
Tanky ba tayo?
Be yourself and
Susuyo.
do what you like.
Mahal ka ba ay?
Uy, walang ganun, boss. Ang sakit mo naman.
May makatok.
Flash tayo, flash. Nanghahabaan ako sa buhok ko.
Ay, sabay siya mo pa siya.
You're
Enemy
from the
minions will arrive in
start.
5 seconds.
Softly, you will find
Leave the best reloaded.
Parang walang pasok. Bukas, Larissa. Ay, sorry.
People who are hard on themselves
Nag-name drop sa sarili.
others.
So everything is gone.
Natuwa sa Smurf ah.
Cause everything is hurting. I love you
How
so.
lucky me to save the world. I can only care for so many.
Baby, we like.
Let's make this quick.
Oh.
Sabi ka naman makanakit, lobo.
Para sa nandiyan sa baba yung dalawa.
Ay, tasaktan niya ako.
There are plenty of
Yamel.
hero wannabes who try to save
So
the world every
just be.
enemy in our jungle. Help me get rid of them.
Just take
jealous.
it
I
all.
move 'cause I can.
Nandiyan pa rin sa baba yung Daji.
Born in May, born May you.
Kahit pa na mag second skill lang ako eh. Ang tagal lang ng cooldown. Uy, gago, nandito yung landing. Mali ako.
Please.
Mali!
Landing. I
Landing
don't
nasa
like.
taas.
Acting weak is the best way to
I know I love you from the start. Two minutes na go on yung TP portal. Bakit mo?
An ally has been slain. I'd rather be a master of myself than a hero who saves the day.
Bossy.
Life is way
Mawawalan
too
lubo.
long to worry about every little thing.
Eh,
I'm not slacking off. I'm working smart.
Uy, Saturday, July 27, ba't di ka nagsasalita?
pwede ka nga pala ihigit ko. Sige. Uy, yung Marco Polo natin.
An ally has been slain. Enemy
Oh, patay.
killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
Excellence. And the same goes for
Iniiwan mo yung Marco Polo.
Iniwan niya.
says I.
Tulak-tulak.
Let's go, Beep.
Ako pala yung nakaka-kill sa atin.
Assemble at the marker.
An enemy has been slain.
Naligat. Patay mo daw, patay mo.
Overlord and Tyrant have song.
Hanip ka, may flash ka na naman.
An ally has been slain.
Nalobat na si Nika.
Push natin to, push.
Enemy rampage.
Dagdag. Kaoy, boss.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Martial arts are never the
Yan na, madam.
Ito, Daji. Nag-flash na. Ay, wala. Sasalubungin siya ng lubo. Dan yun na, Daji.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been
Ay,
slain.
guys.
Enemy
Tawin natin yung joystick.
There are plenty of hero wannabes who try to save the
Nandiyan
world.
yung laling. Sa top yan, oh.
Ano yan?
Uy, huli. Ganda nun. Galing.
Their own way.
An enemy has been slain.
Assemble! Copy that.
Hindi mo. Hindi ito gagawa mo, Alicia.
Palag.
People who are hard on themselves aren't gonna go easy on others.
Ang cute niya! Nananadyak siya.
I'm dead.
Rather be
Yeah.
An ally has been
than a
slain.
hero who saves the day.
Yun, ang ganda nun. Kaso na-stun.
Killing spree.
Ito na.
Fabulous.
Nakas mo naman po,
Double
Idol.
kill. Triple kill.
Triple kill. Yan pa, isa pa.
Nakas mo
Hindi
naman,
ka-
Idol.
Quadra
Shisha
kill.
ball.
Nakas mo naman
Your
pala.
team has destroyed a turret.
Napaka-shisha
Your
ball mo
team has
naman to.
destroyed a turret.
Natrash ako pa rin.
Born in May, born Mayin.
Born in May? Ay, May! Kaya pala siya Mayin kasi born in May.
Ha?
Sabi niya, born in May, born Mayin. Sabi niya!
Shut down.
Ayun lang, bossing.
Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Boss! Nika? Nika.
I'm not slacking off.
Wow, git ko yung
I'm
bossing.
assemble at the marker.
Enemy killing spree.
Grabe naman. Puro sila low health to. Eh, sige mo itong patayin mo. Patayin mo, sige, patayin mo. Second. First. Bam.
Aray ko! Naabot ako ng dadji.
An ally has been slain.
Okay ha, pag ganun, hindi second. Finish sila. Second first, para lock it.
I'll have to play dead better next time.
From the start. Okay, puro tayo
Ally
clash.
has been slain.
Don't look to
Kaya,
me
kaya.
to save the world.
An ally has been slain.
Dami.
Ay, mali ako. Yung mid natin,
An
pinupush na
ally
nila.
has been slain.
Life is way too long to worry about
Second.
every little thing.
Second skill mo. Mika, second skill.
Protecting this one is not the only way.
Sabi, stun.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Push tayo. Hindi tayo nakapag-push eh. Split ka dun taas.
Navinia is indeed busy, but Jisha Academy is home. And people always
An enemy has been slain. The Overlord and Tyrant have been enhanced. Cannons flipping out.
What is all?
Tulong! Tulong! Mama! Aray! Ah!
Tap here to use an active skill
Ooh!
and gain 35% damage reduction for 3 seconds.
Namatay ako sa first kill nung Kai. Ay,
Down.
ang pangit ko.
Your turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
Laro na. Kanina pa kami naglalaro, Kay. Sana okay ka lang. Nasa ang lupalop ka na naman ba?
An enemy has been slain.
Kakauwi ko lang ulit. Ang lupalop ka na naman ng galing.
Tara pala, Nika.
Ito yung lanling, ah.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Slain an enemy.
Another power soul.
Yeah, ano ka na lang to? Pupush ka na lang, ah.
An enemy has been slain.
Gets ko na.
Medyo nagigets ko na din. Accept mo na ako. Alam mo na kung saan yun. Sa ano? Facebook?
Destroyed a turret.
Assemble! To adapt is the key to
Uy, boss, may Tori pa, oh.
and the same goes for my
Ally has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Uy, sino?
Assemble!
Puro low health yan.
Slain.
Sige, first. Bang, pakita.
Ay, ina ka!
Killing spree.
Triple yun!
Martial arts are never the same. Neither is life.
Triple yun.
Look at this.
Aray! Aray! Aray!
Dead.
Triple daw pa dyan.
Shut down.
Wala, wala. Ano? Patay ka yata, Sob.
An ally has been slain.
I'll have to play dead better next time.
Pero low health na silang lahat.
Enemy
Patayin
double
nyo.
kill. Shut down.
Tulak. Nice one. Pass.
Enemy has been
Takbo.
slain.
Tulak. Mali. Tulak muna ba? I can. Pass. Bo.
You have slain an enemy.
Tulak. Tulak mo. Yan. Takbo.
Pare ko.
Pass. Nice one.
Cool down, cool down.
Tulak. Pampas ulit. Yan. Sige lang.
Pare ko. Sabi ni. Nabibitin ako dun sa cooldown. Nung sa skill.
Enemy has been slain.
Kaya siguro yung
Yan
iba
din.
naka-tranquility na boots.
Ako, nakatangkility ako ng
Oo, nagka-tough ako eh. Ay, fortitude pala, hindi pala tough boots.
ano din kasi, babantay mo
Baka ganun, ikot na ganun.
babantay mo din talaga yung bars.
Kaya nga eh, hindi ko pa tansya eh. Pero medyo natutuwa na ako sa kanya. Pangilang gamit ko na ba ito? Pangatlo? Bon! Genji! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Birthday mo pa! Kamusta birthday? Di ba lasing?
An enemy has been slain.
Boss.
Retreat!
An ally has been slain. Double kill.
Boss.
Retreat! Let's test this.
Unika. Oh,
Uwi.
Retreat from the marker.
ay, talikod.
Ally has been slain. Your turret has been
Oh,
destroyed.
mili tayo parehas, boss. Ay, hindi. Ito, hindi ka pala mili. Oh, ayun na, tala na naman tayo. Parang matutulog na talaga
Yung
tayo.
touch.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Sayang.
Ah,
Kaya.
hindi.
Oo.
Kila yung Marco, boss.
Yan na, oh.
Sayang. Kumain lang ng niluto namin kagabi, tapos nagsitulog din kasi puro kulang tulog. Walang inuman.
Siya,
Oh.
11 tayo. Nice.
Oo
Nice
nga.
dyan na, 11.
GG na, may pasok bukas. GG's.
GG guys, GG's.
Di pa rin nakapag gano'n ang cup. Hoy, hindi naman mabigat yung mahin ko, ha.
Hindi naman. Kulang lang sa agbag.
Hindi lang siya makulit. Si Nika, 157! Sorry po. Take a break. Ayoko na. GG's na guys, GG's. Nawala na si Nika. Ano ba yung partner's code ko? Hindi ko alam. Maulan masikip dito sa loob ng bahay. Tapos na! Yeah. Nakaano na ako, 2 and 45. Meron ka bang code? Help kita. Ano ba yung code ko? Help ko nga yung sarili ko. Where is my code? Hula, hula, ah. Hula, hula, ah. Saan yung event? Oy, oh my god. Ito ata yun. Help a friend. What's my code? EF4 LX HEL. Ah! GL. Hello, husband, help tomorrow. Invite. Ay. BFF pa nga gusto. Confident. Grabe ka na, Nika. Gusto mo pa mag-BFF, ah. Ang pangit naman ng hero dito. Paano palitan yung hero? Mayin! Kaya mo talaga malakas. Max na ako, may code ako nakuha doon sa chat sa group page ng Hawk. Okay. Hindi, tapos na ako. Tapos na to. Nanood kasi ako mga lumang live ng Bingini. Wala bang notif dito? Hindi ko alam. Diba dapat mayroon? New account to, level 8 pa lang ako. Oh, pwede na ba hindi, diamond dapat para makapag-partners project, no? New account kasi, tinan mo siya. Tinatry ko kasi panira yung dodgy, eh. Mag-clash lane. Ayan, kaya puro Clash Lane Heroes yung tinatry ko laruin. Para ma-familiarize din ako sa skill sets nila. Di ba? GG's na ako, guys! Baka mabash pa ako nung isa dyan. Yoko na. Ay, oo nga. Ano yun na nga? Kasi may basher dyan sa comment section. WPUs na yan pag di mo ginawa agad. Ang alin? Lagyan mo na code mo sa partners project mo bago mag 24 hours. Really? I don't know my code. Tsaka, di ba dapat siya? Diamond na dapat? Ah! Hindi ko alam yung partner's code ko. Wait lang. PB, tampuhan. Partner. Hindi ko alam ang code ko. Eto, 12245. Akin ba yun? 12245. Ay, hindi na yung ito pwede. Ba't di bibimbap? Ano to? Tingnan mo yung name ko dito ah. Ganda kaya yung name ko dito. Bibimbap. Diba? Cute. Teka, may i-help at ako. Dapat bibimbap overload. Napakahaba naman nun. Kaya ba lalagyan mo ng partners project? Nilagyan ko na. Yeah, 12245. Nilagyan ko na. Saan yun? Sa inventory. Lysine, Kongming. Oh. Sino dito? Musashi. Ayoko ng Lysine eh. Pero di ba dapat dahil mahirap siyang aralin ko siya. Diba? Lysine Musashi. Okay.
Every life has its own path, its own destiny. And your answers will lead you to the hero destined for
Ano
you.
to? You'll design
You'll
to the
be
battle with a new
descending
look.
onto the battlefield with a new look. What do you see yourself as? Fear not, because your teammates have your back. What is your preferred role in a team fight? A real pro pays attention to every detail. Which of the following describes your playstyle? The stars have aligned, pointing to your destined hero.
Melody!
Travel across the starry sky to join you.
Pangit. Pangit. Si Melody binigay. No, it's not Kaiser. It's Melody. I'm so sad. Anyways, GG. Happy birthday ulit, Genji. Sean, salamat sa panonood. Sa lahat ng mga nag-share ng live at nag-tap-tap. See you again tomorrow. No, feeling ko hindi ako makapag-live tomorrow kasi may office. Yung second Kaiser. Ang lungkot. Although, I have Kaiser na. Di ba kasi may libreng 4 na heroes per lane? Happy birthday ulit! Ilan taon ka na, Genji? Ganyan ka ng ganyan dyan. Wala na, nagbabay na. Ilan taon na? 19! Oh my God! Happy birthday! Sabi ko pa naman kanina, inuman. Ang sama na ugali ko. Bata pala itong kausap ko. Happy birthday ulit! Good night! Bye-bye! 19 plus 10. Okay, safe. Safe. Kasi sabi ko kanina, inuman. Tapos bata pala yung kausap ko. Okay, 29, safe. Safe. Walang inuman kasi maulan. Okay, noted. Good night! Bye-bye!